Hey, what's going on? I'm getting ready to go ahead and suit up, get the bike ready, and we're going for a Sunday stroll. It's going to be a couple hour ride, but for you, it's just going to seem like a couple minutes. So, going to go check out some back roads, check out some scenery upstate South Carolina, and check out something that's very, very old. But you got to stay tuned to find out what it is. Make sure you watch to the end. All right? See you in a second. Rolling down the highway. Gonna check out some scenic routes today. Got something special. Or at least I've never seen it. But hey, I don't know, man. Highway miles. I don't really like the highway too much. I like taking back roads. But for today, the consensus from everyone was, let's just take the highway so we can get there. You know, so I'm all about it. I'll do it. But if I can, I always prefer to take the back road versus the highway. Especially if I'm in no rush to go anywhere and I'm just out riding around. But yeah, that's what she wrote. Today is not too bad. Today's Sunday, and it's roughly 33, 34 degrees. With the wind chill, you know, probably a whole lot less. I'll get back to you here shortly. We finally hit the back roads on our way to our destination for today. So we are almost there. We've already been on the road for almost an hour and a half. Our destination today leads us into West South Carolina, past Spartanburg. And you all gonna get to see what we came up here to see. So, yes sir. not too bad, not too bad of a ride. I don't feel the cold because, of course, I put my heated jacket liner and my heated gloves on. So I feel like it's like 70 degrees out here. And it's, like I said earlier, actually 30 something degrees. But I'll come back to y'all when we get there. All right, we made it here. We made it to the Campbell's covered bridge. This is the last remaining covered bridge in South Carolina. It was built in 1909. It's right outside Spartanburg, South Carolina. And I'm going to show you some aerial footage of it. And then we go from there. Come around now. And they don't allow vehicles through here anymore. I wanted to take a couple photos of whatnot in front of it, but I don't think this bridge support the weight anymore, so they don't allow the vehicles down here. Look at the inside. Oh, yeah. Here goes some literature for y'all. Like I said, built in 1909, built by Charles Irwin Willis, and named after Alexander Lafayette Campbell, who lived between 1836 and 1920. Now, check it out. I was gonna get y'all some aerial footage of this area, but something's wrong with the DJI app, and it has some bugs, won't open up, it won't let me fly my drone. So that kind of sucks, and it kind of ruins the trip because I wanted to get some good aerial footage of this area. And the bridge itself, and of course, like I said, all the surrounding areas. But I'm going to keep working at it for a little bit longer. Hopefully I can get the damn DJI app working so that way I can fly the drone. If not, then our next stop, we're going to get some barbecue today, and we'll see you down there. Alrighty, we're gonna go ahead and see what we could find as far as food is concerned. That's where we're going now. So we found this place called Mutt's Barbecue, and then we're gonna give it a try. So let's head on out. Don't y'all just love these country roads? I mean, there's nothing like, you know, riding your two wheels through these back roads and looking at the scenery, the foliage, what life has to offer. This is just fantastic. I just love it down here, man. It's just gotta love the scenery. Gotta love the scenery. The day, I gotta tell you, man, I was almost defeated. The day almost took a bad turn because I couldn't get the drone up in the air, and it was really ticking me off because I get there to the covered bridge and well, couldn't get the drone up. Something happened with the DJI app, and what it said was it had a bug, and I can't, you know, basically I gotta wait for the developer to fix the bug before it opens, and it's just, that app just did not want to open. I downloaded another DJI app to see, 2 more to be exact, to see. All of them had the same thing, the bugs, couldn't open the app. So what I did was, at the last ditch effort, I almost, you know, just said to hell with it. But last ditch effort, I downloaded this app called Drone Control, and that worked. I got the it linked to my drone, and I got it up in the air, and so I could get some footage for you as y'all saw. You know, I threw in the aerial footage in there. But that was an app that I wasn't used to. I didn't know, you know, what features it had on there and whatnot. So I just threw the drone up in the air the last minute with that app, and to see if I could at least give you something from the air. But I got to learn how to use that new app because, like I said, it has different features that I'm not used to, and which made controlling the drone a little bit more difficult. And I hit a tree. Never failed. Thankfully, the drone did not fall and did not fall into the water. It hit a tree, but it stood in the air. I did end up breaking 2 propellers. Thankfully, even with those 2 propellers being broken, the drone still flew, and I'm you know, was able to manage to get it back to me to return to home, and that's why I saw that 2 props were broken. But you know, all's well. All's well. I still have the drone. I got some extra propellers that I can throw on there, so that's no biggie. The big thing is I got at least some aerial footage for you. It ain't that great, but you know, stuff happens while you're out on the road. You know, you could be the most prepared that you could ever be, and something will happen. That's just Murphy's Law. Something will happen. So, oh, a little dam there. I didn't see that. All right, but yep. I'll get back to you when we finally hit this barbecue spot. All right. Well, we made it to Mutt's Barbecue. This place is kind of packed.
Mutt Barbecue,
Woo-hoo.
the Mutt Dog Barbecue.
We're gonna get in here and find out what's good on the menu. Well, got the food. This is what it looking like. Yes.
Let me get the rib.
Got the ribs over there.
Oh, and you know it.
Yeah. All right, time to eat.
Nora, you believe that, Nora?
Okay, I tell you what, I got it on video. How about that?
He was there some of the time.
Okay, I got it on video.
Now he was there.
Yep.
I got it on
All right,
video.
we just got done eating at the Mutt's Barbecue.
Some
Y'all
good
see it up
nuts,
there?
too.
Mutt's Barbecue. Real good. It was real good. We'll definitely come back to it. So if you're ever in the Greer, South Carolina area, look up Mutt's Barbecue. Pretty good. And this is where I'm going to end the video. I'm not going to record the ride going back home because it looks just like the ride coming up here. So, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Till then, enjoy your ride.